I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, here to show you how to repair a shower diverter. Now on your tub diverters, this is what diverts the water up to the shower head. When that no longer works, or when you pull it up, you get as much water or more water out of the spout than you do the shower head, need to replace that diverter. This particular one has a small set screw at the bottom that you will loosen up. Once you get that loosened up, that spout simply pulls off. Now, I say simply, sometimes they come off a little harder than that, but it will pull off of the copper tubing. Some of them are threaded, some of them are a slip fit. Now this particular one, like I said, has an Allen wrench set screw that you'll take your new one. Once you get the new one, it slides into place. Use that same Allen wrench, lock that screw back in place. Now on a 3-handle tub and shower valve, your third handle is your diverter. And on these ones you'll need to remove that center stem, take it down, match it up, get the right brand so you can get that replaced. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing. We've showed you how to repair a shower diverter.